Welcome to a brand new episode 23 of PSLE Math series on ABCD. In this PSLE Math series, we'll be going through questions that PSLE students might find it difficult to solve. Today, we'll be doing question 1 of worksheet 12. Just a side note, you'll be able to find the link to the Google Docs for this question in the description below. Now, let's get started. Okay. Jonny jogged at an average speed of 4 km per hour from point A to point B and back to point A at a speed of 3 km per hour. He took a total of 1 hour and 10 minutes. How long did he take to jog from B to A? How far was point A from point B? So similarly to the previous episode, the first thing we're supposed to do is to draw the diagram. So basically from A to B is travel at 4 km per hour. From B to A will be 3 km per hour. Okay, so we know that the total time taken will be equals to 1 hour 10 minutes. We can realize that this is equals to 70 minutes. Okay, so traveling here versus traveling here, the speed will be 4 km per hour versus 3 km per hour. Okay, the distance in this case will be the same. Okay, using the distance as constant, we can plug in any numbers to find a ratio, because we are looking at the ratio, we are not looking at the exact figure. So plotting a example, we can use 12 km as a guide. We realize that if the constant distance is 12 km, the time taken over here is 3 hours and the time taken over here is 4 hours. Therefore, we can conclude that for every 3 minutes taken to travel over here, Jonny will take 4 minutes to travel over here. Okay, because in 3 minutes, he will cover the same distance as 4 minutes. Okay, using this, you'll be able to realize that the time should be divided into 7 units, because 3 units is for forward, 4 units is for backwards. So, dividing this into 7 units, we realize that, okay, wait, we should write this down first. So, every 7 minutes, 3 minutes is for forward, and 4 minutes is for backwards. Okay, in 70 minutes, there are 10 7-minute intervals. Therefore, we realize that the time to go forward will be the 10 interval times 30 minutes. As 3 minutes, so you give us 30 minutes. Whereas the time for backwards will be 10 intervals times 4 minutes, you give us 40 minutes. Okay, therefore we'll be able to find out the distance to be equals to 30 minutes over 60 minutes times the speed. This is the hour times speed, which is 4 km per hour, which gives us 2 km. Whereas in the second part, it will be 40 over 60 times 3 km per hour, and this will give us 2 km. See, the distance is the same. Therefore, okay, so basically he took from B to A is that way. It took 40 minutes to travel. This is the first part answer. And the distance is 2 km. Okay, the question that we just went through is question 1 of worksheet 12. There's 2 more questions available. Okay, the answer for question 2, how long did he take to travel from JP to North Point? Will be 120 minutes. The distance will be 12 km. For question 3, okay, if she took, how long did she take to travel from South Spine to North Spine? The time taken is 100 minutes. The distance is 6 2/3 km. We'll be uploading the answer for question 3 soon. Please stay tuned. In the meantime, Feel free to drop us an email if you've got any challenging questions. You also welcome feedbacks and comments. Our contact details are in the description below. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos. And that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. We hope you have learned this concept. And here's Miss J signing off. Bye bye!